Hello. This is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how to redeem Selfridges gift cards online. First, go to selfridges.com and then sign in to your online account. Now, find the items that you want and add them to cart. After you are done adding items to cart, click on View Bag. Now click on Secure Checkout button. Select the delivery option and then continue. Under Payment Type, select Gift Card option. Enter the 17-digit gift card number that you can find at the back of your gift card and then enter the 4-digit PIN under the scratch-off layer. Finally, click Add and then the amount will be deducted from your gift card. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.